Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove the classwork page up here, and in the process you'll be able to revert to the old topic system, which also allows you to post announcements into topics. So it's really simple. All you have to do to begin with is click the help button in the bottom left, and for some odd reason the remove classwork page button is down here. So you click that and it'll prompt you with this. It says that if you remove the classwork page, students can't access materials, which is partially true only. Students won't be able to access materials in the classwork page, and they will reappear if you add the classwork page back. For example, if I go into classwork, I have a material here, and once I remove the classwork page, it will not be there because there's no classwork page to go to. Instead, you'll have this topics menu down here, which is useful. If I post something, I'm given the option to put it into a topic. I'll just create a topic, and then I can post it into that topic. Topics are reusable, meaning that when you post something, you can post multiple things into that topic. See, I can choose it from this menu, or I can create a new one. And you'll see that I can click the topic here, and all the posts that are in that topic will appear. This is not the regular stream. Only posts in this topic will appear. And I can rename the topic. And all the posts that were previously in the original topic name are now under the new topic name. None have been deleted, and they still have their topic. I can add more topics, or I can rename a topic right from there, as I just did, or I can delete the topic altogether. This does not delete the posts. They just lose their topic. And of course you can go back and edit them and then give their topic back. Except I deleted the topic. But I can edit and put a topic on them, or I can change the topic. And yeah, that's really it. There's some really good uses for this feature, and if anyone's a legacy Google Classroom user, then they'll remember this feature because this is what it used to look like before all the new updates. This feature can be used in many ways. For example, if your class is teaching multiple topics, well, I just said topics, multiple lessons perhaps throughout the year, then you might want to create a topic for each lesson. For example, maybe your history class is teaching different civilizations, then you could use topics to divide them into each civilization. So you have all the lessons, all the announcements, everything all under each civilization, everything they're relevant to. Oh, I forgot to show you, by the way, that you can post questions, quiz assignments, and regular assignments also in topics. For example, let me just create an assignment here. I'm just putting in random things. It also lets you choose a topic. Just for now, I'll write something like assignments. And I can assign, and just like that, it's in the topic assignments. I can find it down here, I can click on it, and find everything that's in that topic. Of course, it doesn't have to be assignments. You can write anything, and it'll still be there. The same applies to quiz assignments and questions. And of course, if I want to go back, I can add the classwork page. And the about page, I forgot to show you. If I go into settings, the about page down here lets me add class materials. I'm just putting in google.com as an example. It will not appear on the stream, but instead you'll see this little arrow over here. That's where the about page is. I'll make a separate tutorial on the about page soon. And you'll see that I titled it Google, and there's Google. because I put it there, and it does not appear on the stream. But once I add the classwork page, it's going to disappear. That the materials in the about page don't go there anymore. They'll go to the classwork page. Well, they won't. It's just that the way Google Classroom is designed now, materials belong in the classwork page. So any materials in the about page will disappear, and the ones that were previously in the classwork page will come back. As you can see, everything transformed. All the assignments and the quizzes are now condensed, which is not how they used to be. And materials, that material that I put there earlier in the classwork page has returned. The topics have also transferred to the newer version, but since all the things I posted in there aren't there anymore, it's empty. And yeah, that's really it. Thanks for watching.